Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video we will see Introduction to Revit Architecture and BIM. Revit is one of the modeling tool which is used for design of buildings to get an aesthetic appearance. And Revit is an architectural design and documentation software program used by architects and engineers for managing building design and detailing the model. It is one of the BIM tool. Revit provides a platform helps us to create the virtual 3D models prior to the construction, which helps us in understanding the building elements to the greater extent. It allows all project database stored in a single project file, permitting multiple users to work on the same project file and merge their changes with every save. Hence, it is called as a multidisciplinary platform. It is easy to share Revit file throughout the design and construction process, which means updates and changes can be notified more quickly. It allows us to draw plan views. With this software, designers can now sketch out roughly layout of a floor plan and also make some changes according to building design and as per customers' demand. We can create 3D views, camera views, and render those views into photorealistic images. We can also create walkthrough videos which gives us a virtual tour of our building. It displays the different components and materials which we had used in our project and helps the client for better understanding. It also allows us to do scheduling where we can find the quantity of the material and the components which we have used in our project. In this we can also create the sheets which are used for project submission. And the sheets we can place various views like plan view, sectional view, 3D view and rendered images. Revit has three disciplines, namely Revit Architecture, Revit Structure and Revit MEP. Here MEP resembles mechanical, electrical and plumbing. Let us see the history of Revit. It was invented in the year 1997 by Charles Rivel. Revit first version was released on April 5, 2000. The software progressed rapidly with the version 2, 3, 3.1, 4 and 4.1 respectively. Autodesk released several versions of Revit after 2004. In 2005, Revit Structure was introduced. Then in 2006, Revit MEP. After the 2006 release, Revit Building was renamed Revit Architecture. The latest version of Revit is 2021. It is available in multiple languages. Let us see the pros of Revit. It improves the quality of construction drawings. It helps to create the models of real-world buildings and structures easily. It increases efficiency and it helps in greater error detection and visualization. It also provides us better team collaboration and coordination for the project completion. Earlier we have seen that Revit is a BIM tool. Let us see what is a BIM. BIM is nothing but building information modeling. BIM is a process that is becoming increasingly popular in AEC industries. Here AEC resembles architecture, engineering and construction. The building sectors such as the architectural sector, engineering sector and the construction sector each have defined purposes and unique benefits of BIM. For example, in the construction sector, BIM helps to reduce wastage of building materials and also virtually assesses the risk of the project. Most importantly, BIM helps to detect where clashes takes place and also make sure there is a reduction of mistakes on site, etc. Perhaps a major and overall advantage of the BIM process is that it supports the construction process and design process from scratch to the whole package and beyond for all the parties that are involved in it. It is safe to say BIM has revolutionized the building sector across the world by enabling any authorized person from any part of the world access the building information and communicate and collaborate with people on site. Within a BIM model, there are D elements. Each element relates to a certain data set within. This D is nothing but BIM dimensions. BIM dimensions give you a better understanding of your construction project and the process of linking additional dimensions of data to your building model. In this section, we will explore the different BIM dimensions, namely 2D, 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D, 7D and 8D. Let us see what is 2D BIM dimension. 2D dimensions is the earliest form of the construction models. It constitutes a simple x-axis and y-axis. These models are generally made by hand using manual processes or through the use of CAD drawings. Now let us see what is a 3D BIM dimension. 3D represents three-dimensional geographical structure of a building, that is the x-axis, the y-axis and the z-axis of a building. 3D BIM entails the creation of graphical and non-graphical building information for the sole purpose of sharing it in a common data environment. By using 3D BIM, you will be able to keep your workers updated on the latest design trend. Let's know the benefits of 3D BIM dimension. It helps to check for the possible collision, it aids communication among the workers, ensures the transparency during the entire project, and etc. Now let's see what is 4D BIM dimension. A four-dimensional BIM model reveals additional dimensional information known as a scheduling data or time element. This model starts with a 3D BIM and then an application of the fourth dimension or 4D BIM, otherwise known as a time element. Hence, 4D BIM is 3D BIM plus schedule. Let us see the benefits of 4D BIM dimension. It helps in planning the building site properly, including the schedule of all the construction stages. Not only does it help in planning, but it also helps to increase the quality of the building site planning. It brings about a good working relationship and cooperation among the stakeholders with clear deadlines. Now let's see 5D BIM dimension. This is 4D BIM plus estimate or cost. The function of 5D BIM modeling is to integrate cost, schedule, and design in a 3D output. This model is charged with forecasting or predicting the flow of finance for a project and visualizing the progress they have made concerning the project. Now let's see benefits of 5D BIM dimension. It helps in cost visualization, brings about shorter project cycles. Now let's see 6D BIM dimension. This BIM dimension is also known as I-BIM or integrated BIM. 6D BIM involves the addition of other relevant information that supports the facility management and operation in the hopes that it will bring about a better business outcome. The 6D process means that a model that was created by a designer gets updated or modified in the course of the construction. This particular model can be submitted to the owner as an as-built model. The model will comprise the necessary information that will be needed in case of any future maintenance. The information includes things such as warranty information, manual information, operation and maintenance information, etc. Let us see the benefits of 6D BIM dimension. It makes decision making very easy and fast. During the project life cycle, 6D BIM brings about a detailed analysis of the economic and operational aspects of the project. Now let's see 7D BIM dimension. 7D BIM basically comprises 3D plus time schedule plus cost intelligence plus sustainability. Builders and project managers alike make use of 7D building information modeling in the maintenance and operation of a project throughout its entire life cycle. Using a 7D CAD in BIM would help optimize the project management from its design stages until its demolition. Warranty information, technical specification, operation manuals are some of the assets data that can be tracked using this dimension. Let us see benefits of 7D BIM dimension. 7D BIM helps to monitor the management of the facility or asset right from the design stage to the demolition stage. It makes the changing of building parts and general repair of a building project throughout its entire life cycle a very easy task. Now let's see the 8D BIM dimension. It is meant for safety purpose. It helps in planning of safety requirements of the building. These are about 8 dimensions of BIM. Now let us see the technologies that supports BIM. Revit by Autodesk, Tekla by Trimble, Robot Structural Analysis, ETABS and Statpro, Navisworks, InfraWorks and Primavera are some of the technologies which supports BIM. Advantages of BIM. It helps in conflict detection and risk mitigation. It has high level of customization and flexibility. It provides optimization of schedule and cost. It has easy maintenance of building life cycle. It helps in faster drafting without loss of cost and quality. And also it provides coordination and collaboration. These are few advantages of BIM. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you have found a useful information. If it is so, kindly subscribe my channel, like the video. Thank you.